Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Justice Unveiled. Today is the 5th of December, 2024, and we're looking at what happened at Judge Ratha's court today. Today was another important day in the Senzo Meyiwa trial. Let's get going. Let's look at what happened today. Just like yesterday, Advocate Nxumalo, who's presenting accused number 3, wrapped up his cross-examination of the Brigadier Gininda. His approach was nothing short of meticulous, ensuring no stone was left unturned. Today, Nxumalo focused on tying up pieces of evidence together, particularly around the statement given by one of the initial investigators who arrived at the crime scene on the 26th of October 2026. So I guess the investigator, arrived, he said around 9ish, and Mangena, the experts, claimed he arrived all around 11. So Nxumalo was questioning the inconsistencies between that statement and what Mike Mangena had. Besides Zetulele Nxumalo asking the Brigadier about the inconsistencies between this investigator and Mike Mangena, was that he also focused on the runaway car, which was, I think, a white Polo that was seen on sometime before the shooting, but it somehow disappeared. He asked in particular about, how, if he did any investigation on how the car got there. And I think the Brigadier spoke about the car being hired, and Nxumalo really was like, are you really talking about a hired car? And then Gininda, I think with him being stubborn, being him, he stood firm with his testimony, just stating that the evidence that he has links all the accused to the crime. He also emphasized the process followed in gathering this information in his own Gininda way. I mean, Nxumalo, I think he did reiterate that you started investigating the case in 2018, right? And he was also looking at other statements, other people, other investigations that were done by other people. Like he asked about one of the investigators who started with the investigations in 2015, asked him, did you really go through his statement? Did you ask him about what he's talking about in the statement? And Gininda actually tried to run away from that question, because he was like, this was a prosecutor-led investigation. For me, that statement really didn't matter that much. I was just being led. And I think Nxumalo, he did ask him, so did you receive any instructions from the DTP? And he was like, I did not receive any instructions. I think Nxumalo kept on re-emphasizing and asking, did the prosecutor give you any instructions on who to prosecute or who to take to court? Which Gininda replied, no. So I think this really shows that Gininda did his own thing, but when it comes to getting to the bottom of the things, he's always got people to hide behind, because right now he was busy hiding behind this being a prosecutor-led investigation. But when it really comes to the decisions that were being made, I mean, he wasn't really given any instructions. He was doing what he felt he wanted to do. And with the Zungu story, I think Nxumalo at some point did ask him, there were other evidences before, but when you came through, your focus was entirely on the Zungu case. And if you've been following this case, I think you would remember that there's a big issue, or allegedly there's with the Zungu tying everything together. So if Zungu's evidence were to be thrown out of court, I mean, this case is non-existent. So, yeah, I don't know what friendship Zungu and Gininda has. But there's something fishy there, which I think we'll get at the bottom of it when the defense is arguing. I'm hoping they will bring that up, that there's something fishy over there, because other investigators were really not considering Zungu as a reliable witness, and Brigadier comes through and he takes Zungu's statement word for it, and he doesn't really do much of an investigation, and to actually think that Zungu was doing a lot of illegal things. I mean, as a person, I wouldn't really trust that person to say anything truthful to me. But anyway, before I become too long or get taken away with my thoughts, I think the defense team is continuously poking holes in this whole case, and today's examples just highlight how much the defense team is fighting for their clients. And I think we look forward to tomorrow's cross-examination by our Queen Nxumalo. I mean, from my side, having been following this case for a while now, I'm expecting her. She's the qualifications queen, so she'd be asking about the expertise. I think she'll be bringing her other skills to deal with Brigadier Gininda, and I'm crossing my fingers that judge over there won't jump into the arena like he always does when it's Mshololo. I hope he sticks to being the judge like he has been doing since Ramusipili started. Here and there he was going back to being Judge Ratha, but the past couple of weeks with the cross-examinations, we've actually seen that the judge can sit back and be a judge and not the state witness as well. So I'm hoping tomorrow he sticks to that. Otherwise, I mean, I would really see that he doesn't like women, or he doesn't respect women in a professional environment. Thank you so much for joining us again today. I look forward to meeting you again tomorrow, and I'll be coming up with the bombs from Mshololo's cross-examination. Please don't forget to subscribe to Justice Unveiled, share with your friends, comment, like. We need as many members as possible, and please share your feedback on how you'd like me to represent or report on this case. Is there any formats that you'd prefer? Just share your thoughts with me, and I'll try and fix things from there. And then tell me if there's any name we can use for the channel that is more applicable. Thank you. Bye.